Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Linda. Pull up a chair. We're going to get started on this recipe, and this is one of my favorite side dishes, and I have been known to make it by itself, and that's what I eat when I'm hungry. I love this dish. So I've got my electric pressure cooker here, and I'm going to add a cup of rice to it, raw rice. Now I like sticky rice. If you like rice that's separated, then you wash this. Wash it till the water runs clear 3 or 4 times, and then you won't have sticky rice, but this is what I like. So I've got a cup, 1 cup of raw rice, and to that I'm going to add a cup and a half of water. Gotta have about a teaspoon of some type of oil. This is butter. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there, maybe a half a teaspoon. Alright. I love this rice. Okay. I'm going to put the top on, and if your electric pressure cooker reaches 12 psi, this is perfect for you. So put the top on and set the timer for 8 minutes, and just let it release by itself for about 10 minutes, and then you can go ahead and finish releasing it. And when that happens, we'll be back. Alright, our 8 minutes are up. I waited the 10 minutes and released whatever pressure was left in there, and there wasn't any. So, you know, this is sticky rice, which is what I like, and I told you to wash your rice if you don't like sticky rice. This is a short grain white rice. Now, if you're cooking a different type of rice, the time will change. It won't be 8 minutes. But you'll always have to add some oil to anything that foams or swells. So I'm going to get this out of here now and pour it in my bowl, and we'll go to the next step. There we go. Ooh, clean as a whistle. Perfect rice for me. Perfect. Let me get this out of the way. Now here comes our next step. Now you can add a small can of mushrooms that you've drained. Sliced mushrooms. I never do. I always just use cream of mushroom soup. Now I know this sounds strange, and I've tried putting the mushroom soup in with the rice, but it doesn't work. The rice just absorbs it, and that's not what we want. The better grade of soup you use, the better this is going to taste. This is Campbell's. I've used off brands, and I don't know, for some reason it doesn't turn out as well. But I love this. I love it. We're going to get that mushroom soup all mixed up in this rice. Actually, I'm going to get my lemon juice because that's the next step. And this is going to sound crazy, but it's not the same without it. Now, please excuse this measuring cup because I've used it for something else. This is a 2 tablespoon measuring cup. And I'm putting 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. Now it may need a little salt and pepper, that's up to you. And I'm going to taste this to make sure that's enough lemon juice. Because it's got to have that just a tiny bit of twang to it. Or it's not my rice. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and add a tiny bit of salt. And I was looking for my pepper. Here it is. Now I like a lot of pepper, but whatever you do, you know, you season this to your taste, not mine. That's what I like. Alright, we're gonna get this incorporated. When I'm hungry, and I know you all have had these moments too, when you want something and you just don't know what you want, and you know you go through a gambit of things, even store-bought things or KFC, you know, the whole gambit, and nothing appeals to me. This is what I always go back to. Alright, this could be my tasting spoon. Now to me it needs maybe 1 more tablespoon of lemon juice. And that's it, guys. So it's 3 tablespoons of lemon juice for my taste. If you want to try it after 2, that's up to you. Now you can put broccoli in here also. And don't forget about the sliced mushrooms. If you can use fresh or canned. If you use the little small cans, I don't know how many ounces that is, but the little small can sliced mushrooms, drain it first. And there you go. Rice and mushrooms. Delicious. Honestly, delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. And I thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. It always means a lot to me. But please like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, you all take care and God bless you.